Okay, good evening to you all. Today is 12th September 2025, which is our day 7 of this website development webinar. Like I said, this webinar will last for about 10 days, and today is our day 7. Like always, we start by showing our outlines. That is what we are to cover for the day. So we'll have a recap on day 6, that is yesterday. And then today we are going to start developing a blog slash newspaper website. And then after that, we'll have question and answer, conclusion, and then we call it a day. So if you can recall yesterday, we developed a uh, what website? NGO website. NGO website. We developed NGO website from the starting till the end of the website. So, you saw how you can do that. There are some things that you can see which are present in company. Maybe they are not in NGO and something like that. And NGO has to do with lots of maybe the images, reporting, activities, maybe what you have done, success stories, and a lot of things that you need to put on the website. One of the most essential feature that we treated yesterday is to add a donation link. That is to put or to create where people can donate to the foundation or to the NGO. There are lots of donate buttons across almost all the international NGOs, including some of the UN NGOs, because there are lots of philanthropies. The philanthropists always they donate money through such verified website and send the money maybe anonymously or pseudonymous. So this is what NGO website is all about. And whenever you are creating it, ensure that you put these features and you make it uh, very, very complete. So tonight we are going to start developing a blog website or slash newspaper website. So what I'm going to do, I think we'll talk about blog website first because these websites are not the same, but they are similar. So it just came to my mind that maybe we have to create them separately. So maybe today, since it's day 7, so we'll focus more on blog because blog is more personal website that you'll be posting things and post a lot of things related to what you want people to learn. Even me now, for now, I will create maybe blog. I will be posting a lot of things on the blog. I will be posting things for people to read, a lot of things about the blog. So it's mine. It's not a newspaper. Blog is more up educative, maybe website where you educate people, you post things that people will go and learn. For the newspaper, it's all about newspaper. So you become BBC. So it just be posting things, whether it is, you know, hearsay, whether it is verified, unverified. Anything that somebody called you, just post whatever you want to post. You become sometimes it will just be see other people post on Facebook. You just post it and that's it. So newspaper focus on that while blog is this. So let's focus on building blogs tonight. Maybe tomorrow, since it's the 8th, we focus on building the newspaper. Maybe later on we'll start the uh, e-commerce website on day 9 because e-commerce is very long. So we'll start the e-commerce on day 9 and then we finish it on day 10. Maybe. But let's see. If we finish the blog in time, then we can start the newspaper tonight. Maybe then we can finish them today and then tomorrow we start the e-commerce. But it's fine. Let's see. Okay. So, what we are going to do today also is to create a new subdomain for the account, and we continue. And I'm sorry, I'm not creating a subdomain. I'm not creating a subdomain on that our account, because our account we can only create two subdomains on it, and we have only maximum of two database. So I already checked that we cannot create third website on it, but we have two websites, because I don't want us to delete the website that we created for this webinar. Maybe the website will be there, maybe as guidance for some people. And since this hosting plan that I purchased is for 1 year, so the website will last for 1 year. I'll leave it like that to continue. And also, I'm using other hosting plan now to create a domain and also to host on the domain, so that the website will be available, will be there for you to check whenever you want to check them. So let's create a subdomain here, and we call this subdomain. I want to create a subdomain on technologies. I'll just call it blog.hamadtechnologies.com. So that's the subdomain that we are going to use. Okay. So let me click on add. So I added the subdomain. So let me go to SSL, and then I will install the SSL certificate. Okay, so SSL certificate is there already. But let me click on it and see. So it will be run, and let me pause it. Okay, so that's it. What I'm going to do. So we move to software close. So we are going to install, sorry, we are going to install the WordPress again, and we are installing it on the blog.hamadtechnologies.com. So where is blog? So this is blog. I just select it. I told you to delete this WP. Then we are going to create the password. So this is the password. I just created one, and then we click on install. So we wait for it to finish installing. Okay. So we install it. So let's click on the administrative link, so that it will take us to, the administrative dashboard. Let's pray today's website, today's network to be very friendly, please, so that we can finish in time. I don't want us to be, here up till that 11 p.m. So I just click I don't want. So like I said, for the blog normally is yours. It's your own blog. Maybe it can be you and your friends. It can be that, so that you and your friend can run a blog and you can do all what you want with it. So you see the website is not secured because of that HTTPS. So we need to add S under the general. so that the HTTPS will be there. But let's name this first and name it maybe Hamad blog, maybe learn by reading. So I just call it that. Text stops. I just put the learn by reading text stop. So let me just go to the and add that logo that we used to add as the favorite icon of the blog. So I'm going to crop it. So the way so you don't need to crop this, just leave it like this because it's kind of perfect on the favorite icon as you can see it there. So I'm not touching anything. But one thing that I will add here is the S, and I'll add the S here. So that's all. Then I'll come and click on save. So it will ask me to put the password and username again after we put the SS in front of the HTTPS. So here we go. So I'll add the admin and then I'll add the password. So I'm sorry, I added the password and username and it's taking us back to this. So sometimes you see it's going to show this, but it's because of the maybe we need to clear the history of the browser for it to pick this HTTPS. So if we copy it and use another maybe browser, definitely I believe we can see. Let me put it in incognito and see. So it will pick the S. So it will not show that not secured for us because you see now it's secured. It's because this browser we need to clear. So don't worry, even if after you install it, but it's still show not secured, it's just because of the now if let me delete, let me close it and let me put it again. Sometimes I need to clear the history and that's when it will pick. You see, this not sure will still be here on this browser until when I clear it and everything. So don't worry about that. We can continue because I show you in incognito, you see that it shows the website is secured. So don't mind if you use it, you will see it there. So the next thing is we go for the themes. So I'm done with the creation of that. And like I said, for the blog and newspaper, it's not only one person that will work on that. So we'll create the blog, we'll create things, and I will create username tonight. I will even give the usernames to two people here so that they will be part of the supporters of the blog. So they will be posting on the website too. So when they post, everyone will see. So it's not only the admin that will have access to do that. Other people can be posting. So it can be three of you or four of you or five of you. Some create a post on maybe technology, some create a post on something else, some create a post and everyone will keep seeing what you are posting on the website. So we'll look at that and see what we can do. So I'll create users and then I will share the users with some. Then you help us in creating I'll show you how to create the post and then you two you practice creating the post and we'll all see what you have created. So let's install the Astra as usual because we'll keep using this and that's what we will keep using. So please click on install. So after clicking on install, just click on activate. So when you click on activate, that's where it will get you to take you to where you put let's get started with starter template. So you click on that. So click on let's get started with starter template. Then we activate the starter templates plugin. So we are activating the plugin. Don't worry, some people are there waiting for us to see we are live in the group. That's why they are not here. They didn't join us. And today I decided not to tell anybody we are live. It's been 7 days, so at least it's supposed to be a habit that by 9 everyone knows that we are starting this class. So we wait for you to take us to starter template. So I'm sorry, let me refresh the page. So I'm sorry, let's wait for it and see. Can you hear me, please? Because my network is not that strong, I can see. Can you hear me, please? So let's click on build with template the way we used to do, and we select element 2. So this is it. So today since we are going for blogs, so you don't worry about this. Just come to this blog and select this blogger. But what I want to tell you in this blog, there are many things you can use to create blog. All because creating a blog, you can use almost any template, even the templates we used before. You can use them to create a blog. So it's just for you to take anything that you want just to be your own blog. So you can even take this. I just saw this one and I love it. Maybe if you want it to be your personal blog where you'll be posting related to maybe your own content. So not only on your social media page, you can be posting content on your own personal website. So if people want to go to your website, they go to your website, read about you, and there are lots of things you have. You see, like this person, look at him here. He just have his own website. So you can create your own website or your own blog. You see, you can be posting things that you want. Everything that you want, you post them the way you want it. So that's what this blog is all about. So you select any template that you want. So let me just scroll down and see. So there is this creative blog, and most of these blogs that we have, you see, blog is very important website. That why most of blogs website are not free. You see, they are all under premium, premium, premium. So most of them are not free. So it's hard for you to find very good one for free. You see, this creative blog is good. Maybe we'll use it. So let me scroll down and see if we can get something better. That is childcare blog. So you see on this childcare blog, they are just posting maybe things. Let me go through it and see. So maybe they are posting things about children or childcare in general. They are posting a lot of tips, a lot of things that maybe people should learn from. So when you are creating a blog, you need to have a niche and you need to be posting something that is related to what that you're doing. So this is the child blog, you see. They're just posting related to children, and the website is so nice, it's good. So you can create it, maybe it's your own website where you teach people all this, you coach them, you do a lot of things for them. But we are not using that because there are some things that I want to pick. I want a theme that comes with topics which we can pick from. So there is this page, this website is called Vlogger with V, not B. So this Vlogger template. So let's look at it. You see, it's just for someone Jacob Smith. So this is even for you. It's very professional blog. You see, all these are what he is posting or what he is into. So about me, this is the list of subscribers that he has. Feature blogs, all this maybe he's posting. You see, he's posting videos. You see, this is his own personal website. So let's go to this and see what it. So the website is all in one page. You see, it's all in one page. I'm sorry, I'm just taking us through all these websites in under blog so that we can see if we can find something. So if you like, you take any. So let me scroll down again and see if there is any free one. Premium, 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 plan earth, fashion. You see, this blog is for fashion, fashion lifestyle blog, fashion lifestyle blog. So you see, this is the blog. So let me click on blog and see her posts. So this is what she's posting on the blog. You see, all these are posts. You see, this is the post. So she's posting this, and this blog is very good. You see, all these are posts, personal stylist blogs. You see, all these are posts. So this is what she's posting. If you go to home, you read about her. You see, this is very nice, and I think we can use this. It's very good looking blog. Area of expertise, she's on style, she's on trending fashions. So what do you say? Are we using this one or what? because I want us to use something that I believe maybe you can learn from it and you can be able to create blogs for people. This one is okay and it's nice. To me, it's fine. We can use it. Okay, so let's take it and let's continue with it. So here it is. Don't touch anything. Just click on continue and you click on skip. And here you click on I understand. And then you click this. So let me check. I saw some of the some text in the chat. So let me see before it finish downloading. Who is this Bello Omo? You Bello Omo, you are always asking us questions. You are not contributing anything. You are always asking questions. Yesterday you did the same thing to us. Today also you are doing this. I will stop responding to you at all. Okay, it looks fine. Choose us that relate to technology. It's your blog. You can put whatever you want to create for it. It's your blog. So even if I didn't use the one with technology, you use anyone that you want. I'm just guiding you and show you how to do it. So we are here. I'm just asking you a question. You are not responding to my question and you are asking me questions you want me to answer you. I'm not responding to you again. Even if you ask a question, I'm sorry. So it is at 19%. So please let's wait for it to finish and then we continue from there. Amaka, don't laugh. Oh. Don't laugh. Tonight we are not laughing tonight. Me too, I'm not in that laughing mode today. So let's just eat serious and finish this class together. You see, some people will just come and try to provoke you. I ask you question, you are not responding to my question. Just to write yes. You just go and copy three lines question and you are dropping it together. And the question is not even I don't even want to talk about the question at all. But the question I didn't even understand what he's even asking. My question is just yes or no, and he's asking me this. It's fine. Let's hope this network would not even try to. Yeah, that's great. I can see the way it's run faster than before. So today's network is even kind of this. Yeah, it's not about father, it's not about natural father, it's not about that. There is a time when we ask questions. There is a time whenever we have a question. And I said it in all our outlines. I said it in our outlines. We have our outlines, we have question and answer, then we have conclusion and we call it a day. There is a time that I ask you, if you have any question, drop your question. Any question that you ask me during this class is a distraction. So if you feel natural about that, just go, please. I'm not asking you to stay or like I'm begging you or something like that. This is it. You are just distracting me. And the question is not even relevant to what we are discussing tonight. So please, Nachika Pada, please, you can go somewhere or you can get someone who is not like that to do this for you, please. So let's click on view your website. Just click on view your website. I'm sorry. Sorry, I click on it three times. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it, please, and then we continue. So let's wait for it to finish loading, then we start editing. So you people, you have no idea what I'm going through with all of you. Do you think how many people had abused me when we started this class from now to today? Do you think if I'm not that, I have discipline to finish this class, do you think we'll continue this class from day one? I will even stop it and I'll continue my things. But I have my reasons for doing this and I will keep doing it. But I will not take any shit from anybody. That's the reality. And it's simple. We have time for question and answer. You drop your question. I don't ask you for anything. I didn't ask you to respect me. I didn't ask me to talk to me politely. I didn't. It's just we have a time for question and answer. If you have question, drop your question. I'll respond to your question. I don't need to know anybody. I don't need to know your name. I don't need to know anybody. That's it. And all the videos I'm making them public to everyone, not only the people that are here. So you don't need to be here to make anything. You don't need to be here. Just hold on. When we are done with the class, I will make the videos public for everyone. You go there and you watch and you read, and that's all. So, but that's me. If you seriously, I'm not taking that. So if you want, say whatever you want to say. Banda, whatever you want to say it. So click on edit with Elementor, and it always comes from our people. I know it's because I'm Bahashi, they are Bahashi. You didn't pay me anything, you can tell me all the shit that you want to say. So I don't take that. I'm not that type of person that will just allow you to say whatever you want to say to me. I'm not. So let's wait for with edit with Elementor, and then we continue. So I click on that because yeah, so one thing that I want us to do understand this. Most of things related to this blog website, most of the things related to this blog website, we are going to do them from the back end because the putting of the images and everything is going to be from back end. So we'll finish the front end editing together. We'll finish it together. And after that, then we'll go back to the dashboard and then we start editing, creating the post, posting, and create a lot of things. I'll even show you how to create all the categories that you want for the post. And after that, then we start creating the users. Then we create the users like, people that I told you that will help you to keep posting things on the website. Then we'll continue like that. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. I'm sorry. Let's wait for it, please. Let's wait for it, please. Let's wait for it. It's loading, please. I'm sorry. It's the network, so we wait. Please, let's wait for it. Okay, here it is. Okay, so now what we are going to do here is to edit the website. You already know how to make all the editings, so I don't need to tell you that. But we'll be very fast to do this. Or if we like, we can allow this to be like this because, but I want us to maybe edit the pictures because seeing how we edit all that is something that also help you to keep learning. So there are things that we can edit this, we can edit this. We can create a read more and everything like that. We can do that. So how are you going to do this? Let's edit everything. Please, let's just do it very fast. Let's create our own style with Kara. So that's the name of the owner of the website. So please try to give us something. Where are the people that are helping us always? Nura, Abdul Rakib, where are you? So please just so Abdul Rakib, you already dropped something. Your daily dose of knowledge and inspiration. Okay, I'm using that. So let me put it here. So I already put it, but it's kind of very big. But let me use H2. So those of you that understand HTML, you already know what this H2 is all about. So let me use H2 instead of H1. So what did it looks like? Your daily dose of knowledge and inspiration. So that's fine. Let's come. So what are we going to put here under let's create? Give us something, please. Discover, design, and define style. Okay, so let's put it here. So let's put it what Nura drop here. No, give me one line, Abdul Rakib. Give me one line. Now I will put this. I love to help people feel great. So let's paste this discover, design, and define. We want to talk about different things, not only technology. So don't put design or something like that. Thoughts worth sharing, stories worth reading. So let me put it there. So let me put it on top of here. So I will be using all these that you are dropping, but let me change the picture also. But we could have used Kara's picture because the picture looks, like very high quality and the honor of the picture. So I don't know who I'm going to use, but let me go to our pictures and see if we can. Let me go to our folder and see if we can find a picture of one person and use it, and not me. I don't want to use my picture. I want to use somebody's picture. I wanted to use that picture, but I don't want to use this picture. There are some reasons why I will not use it. I think we'll use this. Yeah, I've been looking for this picture. Yeah, yeah, we are going to use your picture. I don't know if Yaya is here. Ahmed. Okay, Yaya is not here, right? Okay, I should have used my picture. No, I want to use my staff picture on the blog. So it's fine. They are my staff, and the picture is not is our picture, so it's fine. I don't want to use any other person's pictures, so that's why I'm using pictures there like that. I don't want to use my picture because someone would think that yeah, I'm using my picture like that. That's the reason why. Don't worry, Amaka. Maybe e-commerce I'll put my picture when we are selling something. Maybe I will sell myself doing that. I'll put money on there. So let's add this picture of Yaya. So I think let's move, but the picture is coming up, but we can continue. So again, we have something like this. So we want to edit this picture so that it will take this discover your personal. Please give us something uh thought worth sharing. Okay, I take that. Abdurakib, you give us something. Let's have something, please. Let's have something, please. But let me edit this picture first. Let me edit the picture and put something. Well, you can drop anything. I want us to finish. Let's finish the editing first, and then we start the blog. So don't worry, we'll start that immediately. So I think we have image of Yaya again. So let's use another image. Let's use this. So the blog will belong to Yaya entirely. Find out how you stand out. Okay, let me copy this, Saidu. Thank you. So I'm copying this, find out how you stand. So every story has more to tell. It's fine. I'll put all that. So let me put this, find out how you stand. So who put this? Okay. Passion, not only passion, please. It's about blog, not only passion. Give us something. You want to be writing things and educating people, not only to talk about passion or something like that. So, Nura, you can change it to something else so that we can have something like 4 lines to put here and then we move. Please, I'm sorry, let's continue. So, there is something here. I love to help people feel great about how they look. So, maybe you can put something services for all and sundry. Let me just put that for all and sundry. So, I love to help people feel great about how they look. So about what? Let's change it to something else. Please, can you give something? Every story has more to tell. So this is very good. But are we putting it here? Because here we are going to put the images, the pictures we put yesterday, those training pictures that we put here. So we can put them here also. So maybe I love to teach people or to train people in technology. I love to help people feel great, feel great. And what? Seriously, I can't think of anything like serious. I want to put something related to technology there. Okay, let me put it here. So let me put it here. So for the read more, so I think we have about me on top. Let me see. Okay, we don't have contact. So this read more, we can put contact me. So instead of read more, so maybe we can put contact me. Contact me. Then we can put contact. So maybe when we open the contact, we'll come back to edit that and put the contact URL. So we'll do that later. Okay, someone put this. Okay, I paste it. Please let's connect through our past. Yeah, I love this. So where are we putting all this? Change this one, two, three for us. Please change them to something else. This one, two, three. Please give us something that we'll put there. Maybe I'll put it there. So I help client. This is a testimony. So you can also give us a testimony. For this, we don't have any sponsor, so I'm deleting this sponsor. Area of expertise, you can also help us with something. Then we can edit the area of expertise. So we have style of this. Please, we have some few things to finish this because after this we'll go back to contact. That's the only 2 pages we'll edit. But please let's hurry up. I don't want this class to take us longer than before. I don't want that. Please, let's try to finish it in time. After today, we have 2 days to go. So let me add all the pictures that we want to put. I want to put that the pictures of that training. Some of the pictures of our training. Let me go to the same pictures we used yesterday. This, 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 and this. Okay, how many are there? I think it's 4, but let's make it 5. Okay, let me increase this. Thank you all for your contributions. I can see a lot. Okay, so those 1, 2, 3, 4 that I said, you can, okay, style that speaks. Yawa. Thank you, thank you. My happy client. Okay, I saw it. You are very helpful today. So today you have energy. The class is lively. So Thank you so much. So today we have all what we want. So today we have all let me upload all the images and then we continue. Today we have all what we want. So thank you so much. So you can check the contacts. Okay, contact you don't have much to send there. You don't have much to send in contact. So but let me put all the images. Thank you so much. Thank you. You can check contact and see if we are, you can even start creating the blogs for us. What we want us to, maybe the categories. You can paste the categories that we can create. So what topics is he going to speaks about? Maybe what are the topics? So we can create categories for the topics, and then you can start creating the post for us for each topic. So that's how I want it to be, and that's how you create a blog. So take note on that. Thank you so much. I really appreciate what you are doing because it's making the class lively and very, very, very interesting. So first of all, I'll paste the text here. So for the first one that Noura's paste is this. So we have style that speaks. So that's number one. So secondly, we have confidence. Nura, I believe you purchase Nura and Abdul Rakib. I all believe you purchase your hosting plan. You are practicing, not only dropping the text here for us. I believe you purchased the hosting plan and you are all practicing. Okay, a journey. Wow, thank you. I really appreciate what you have done because it's making this very lively and also very interested. Okay, confidence in every step. So this confidence in every step is too long. Can you make it very short so that it will be in one line? I don't want it to be in second line. That's why the text is not this. Can we change this confidence in every step and put something, maybe confidence in steps, not only every step. So let me change it to confidence in steps instead of in every step. So let me say confidence in steps. So let's make it looks like that so that you see everything looks great. So we have happy client. I saw Abdul Rakib stop yeah, drop that happy client. Maybe you can say happy reader, but it's fine. Okay, happy client. So let's change the image of this client. So the client is very happy. So we can use the image of the same person, the owner of the website. But the owner of the website cannot be the client to say this. So let's use any image. Let's use another image. Let's use another image for happy client. Where is Yaya image? So let's use Yaya image. So Yaya, you are happy client. Is Yaya here? Yaya, are you here? Okay, I sorry, they are there holding another class. Don't think he's here with us. So let's put Yaya to be happy client. Okay, so that's it. So we put Yaya's image as happy client. So is there a place for name? Yeah, there is. So instead of Deborah Sims, so we call it Yahya Idris. So that's all. So you see all where I put the content, I put the image, and this is where we put the name. So that's for this. So let's move forward. So here we go. So let me see what you put for us. Education. Yeah, thank you. Okay, for the area of expertise. Okay, thank you, Abdullah. So I will use education. So let me click on it. So we'll start with education. Please, let's drop all what we want, please. Education, and then I'll put this line. So Nura, where are the rest? I believe you drop all the rest for us since you are the one that started this. So expertise, education, but education is education another expert. Please give us skills. It just came to my mind that if we put education, it's supposed to be maybe trending ideas. Maybe it can be website development, or it can be AI, artificial intelligence. It can be maybe graphics design. It can be machine learning or something like that. So I'm changing this education. It just came to my mind. Let's put something skills. Okay. Okay. I saw consultation. I saw consultation. Okay, robotics. So let me put robotics, digital marketing. So can you give us a brief something about robotics? So let me see robotics, digital marketing. Sorry, digital marketing. Please don't that give us robotic and digital marketing. Give us like 5 paragraphs about that. Robotic, digital marketing. Someone say web tech, passion trend analysis. Okay, if I put technology, all these are under technology. Let's just put technology since it's just what you want us to put. So web tech. So I'll use this. So someone drop web tech. So you're supposed to give us a brief short note about all this. If not, we'll just leave them and move. Someone say art and creation. So maybe we can just leave them and move, or I will delete the text that is under it. If you cannot give us any text, but just give us like 3 paragraphs related to this. So I will say AI and robotics. Maybe here I'll add AI and robotics, digital marketing, technology, robotics, someone blockchain. Seriously? So let me put exploring the world of AI and robotics, automation, and how technology shapes our future. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Abdul Rakib. So let me paste that. Exploring the world of AI and robotics, automation. So let's go for digital skills. So for, okay, digital marketing skills. So why digital marketing? Here it is. So for digital marketing, I'll paste this. Okay, so let's continue. So you drop blockchain. We didn't put blockchain unless you want us to add blockchain. I put digital marketing. Let's go to technology. Or let's change this technology to blockchain. Since someone just put blockchain. So the one that put technology, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. So web, okay, okay, okay. So web tech, let's put this. So I need for the blockchain now. That's all what we need. We move. I need for the blockchain. That's all what left. So drop for the blockchain, please. A brief short note about the blockchain so that we paste it and we move. And also, this is supposed to be it's supposed to add a block here. But yeah, definitely I'll create a blog with this title. So give us a title of a blog. Then we create a blog for that title and we put summary of it in this too. So we create a read more, and when we created the blog, the post will come back and put the link here. So please drop for the blockchain, then we move. Thank you. So give us a post. Create a post. Title of the post. Create a post in one of these four expertise. So title of the post like this, and then we put a very short description of the post. Like the goal of robotics is to create machine that can perform tasks. Okay, so let me copy this. So I put it as the description. So maybe I will say roll up. So I will call the title to be roll up AI. So I'll call it the title to be the role of AI and robotics. Maybe let me say that. So this will be the goal of, let me just add AI and robotics again. So we are done with this, the role of AI. Then we have this. So we need to have a complete post on this. And I'm changing this picture. I'll get AI picture and put feature of technology understanding blockchain. Okay, this is too much. The this thing is too much. The description is too much. Just give us description in 3 lines. So I'll put this also to be feature of, okay, let me just say understanding blockchain. Understanding the block. Well, let's just say understanding blockchain. So understanding blockchain. So please give us something. Well, let's say future of blockchain. I know why I'm just doing all this. Future of blockchain. Give us a description of a post with title feature of blockchain. Just a description of a title feature of blockchain. So that we put it here, like the way this role of AI and robotics is. So we'll put feature of blockchain. Just give us a description of that. So let me go and get pictures of this robotics. Let me get a picture of robotics. So I don't want to go to the Unsplash to get pictures. I'll just come here to get one. Maybe I can take this one because it just looks nice. This picture just look nice. So I will use this one. So then blockchain. Okay, so I'll get this image. I'm sorry. So if you have anything, what I said, drop it. Do we get the short title? Okay, here it is. The picture of blockchain goes beyond cryptocurrency. This is much. Seriously, is much. But the picture of blockchain. Okay, let's just take these lines. But don't worry, we are coming back to all these text that you are dropping, because we need it to create what do we call it? We needed to create the complete post. We create a complete post of all this that you have dropped for us. So we'll have a page complete of that. Yeah. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I think the only thing is let's this we don't even need this. I think let's just delete this. Do we need this? I know you know how to edit all this. We don't even need it. So we can delete it, right? Let's delete it so that let's leave it because let's leave it since it will not take us much time. I just did Control Z. So let's leave it and upload the image. Don't worry. I want you to keep seeing this. You see, you seeing watching all this is giving you the idea of you are relearning, you are learning, relearning. You will be mastering it at its as you are watching me doing it again. So please just bear with it like this. And okay, I just put the image. So what's wrong with this Google? I just want to take images. Okay, so this is the image that I want. So I'll put the image on our folder, normal folder that we are using. So let me come back to this one before we save that one. So for the blockchain, so maybe we can take this one. We already take this one. So for the blockchain, let me take this one. So you see, this is very high quality image. So let me take it. So these are the two images that I'm taking. What's wrong? I want to save the images, but it's not saving. So I believe it's because of, if you can get the images, you can drop it in the chat. We can use it also. But don't worry, I think it's just network. Almost 10. Consultations are free. So give us something for consultation. Or let me just delete this, please. We didn't delete anything today, so let's delete this. So let's get started. We'll put contact page here for that. So let's leave it like that. Also here, if you like, here, we didn't change any color since when we started this. We didn't change any color. Click here. You see here, just click here, go to style, and under style, we can be able to change this color. So you can change the color to wherever you want it to be. You see, this is how you change color. Click here. Yeah, thank you. I saw the images. So let me download. So maybe it will be easier for me to download from. You see, as we are downloading it here, it is. So let me download the two. Thank you, Abdullah and Musa. Thank you, Abdul Rakib. So let me download this. So you see, the download here is even more, is faster than, there. So let me change the colors. Let's use this color. But that color is, that color looks, uh, you know, uh, let me just control Z it. But I don't think we can control this color. I already put this one. I don't know how to get back that one. So we don't have control. Okay, yeah, we can do control Z. Okay, so let's leave this one. But if you like, you go and get any color that is perfect and you put it there. So let me update the image of AI. I've already downloaded the two images. So let me upload them. Yeah, there. I put them here. So let me upload the two. And also these make sure the images have the same size because that will make your website to be fine and good. But as it is now, the images are not of the same size. Seriously, I by just mere looking at them, they are not. That one is more. So can you get this one for us? Can you get this image, this one? Just get this one for us. Just write robotic and you see this one. This one is fine, but let me use this one also that we are uploading. It's fine. So I'm on AI. So let me put this. So for this, for blockchain, I'll put that one. But they are not of the same pixel, but it's fine. We can use them and continue. So if you want to create blog, make sure, like I said, all the pictures you are using on your website, make sure anywhere you want to put pictures, you use pictures with DC. it looks somehow not that, the way it's supposed to. So let me use this one that Abdurraqib drop. Maybe it will be okay. Let me change this one. I'm sorry, all these things, please, when you are developing your website, is you have to be professional in doing that. Please make sure you adhere to this. Please use images with the same size and the same pixel. You need to be doing that so that your website will not look like uh, crypto candles like that. The one is up, one is down, one is this. Please, just so that it will looks okay and good. Even this one, you see, is not that the same size, but it's just kind of more uh, than that one. Okay, so let me try this one that who drop it? Saeed Haruna. So let me try this one. But this one that Saeed will drop is almost the same size with this one. So it's fine. Let's continue. It's almost the same size I can see. So for the AI and robotic, no, now we are done with this page. I think we are done with this page. Everything is okay now. So all I need to is to click on published. Wait, hold on. Where is published? I didn't see published today. Not tell me all what we have been doing. We cannot save it. I didn't see published today. Why did they take published? Why is that published? I know before. Oh, there is a button here where you click on publish. I didn't see publish entirely. So it means all what we have been doing. Ah, seriously? Where is published? Please help me if you saw it somewhere. I didn't see, I can't find that published. For us to save our work and continue, I couldn't find it. Okay, there is even watch video here. So we'll put some links when we come back to that. So seriously, we are not coming back to this. We are continuing. I don't know why I'm not seeing that published. So let's go to contacts. So you already know how to edit the contact also. Maybe I can leave contact. We just go and start developing the post. So contact is not that much. So you know how to create the contact. So I'm not even touching it, even though I would like to or I would love to, because I want us to finish everything together. But let's go and start creating the post. That's what we are going to do. So let me click on blog. I don't know why I cannot find that button here. And if I refresh this page, we did not save anything and we are going to lose everything. We are going to lose everything. It's network maybe. Someone say close the navigation and see. What navigation? I just close it maybe before you even reading what you said. Is this navigation that you are saying, right? I close navigation, I couldn't find it. It's fine. Maybe we'll try and so let me explain this blog because we are going back to our dashboard and start creating the blogs. You see, all these are the blogs created on the website. These are what the person created. So if you come here, you see this one, if you click on it, it will take you to the page that talks about this street shopping. So each blog here, as you can see, each blog has its own distinctive separate page. You see, this is how it looks like. So you read everything about it, and if you like, you leave a comment. And that's how each blog is, and each blog is a separate post. So that's what we are going to start creating, so that all these blogs that are already on the website, we will delete them and we will create our own, and then we will start seeing all the posts on that blogs. So that's what we are going to do together. I already opened this, I opened the contact because I want us to finish the contact and then we continue. So for this one, I don't want us to click refresh now, unless maybe we'll open another one to copy what we have done and paste it there. Because if we say we're going to do it again to check time, but seriously, I'm not doing it again. So let's go to that dashboard, because if you want to create the post, I already tell you that on day 2. If you want to create the post, there is that, under the dashboard, there is a button for post. You will see all the posts, or you can delete all the posts, or you can create new posts. That's how we are going to do it. So all these posts that are under blog, you see all these posts, how many of them, all these posts that are here. If we go under post here, we are going to see all the posts. So what we are going to do, we are deleting them all. We don't need any, we are deleting them all. So go to post, just wait for it to finish. So here it is, you click on post, click on all posts. Please, are we together? I'm sorry it's taking longer than expected. I don't want us to take much time, but so I click on all posts. So let's go to post. So from there, we are going to see all the posts that are under blog now. We are going to see them all, and then we'll delete them. So you see, all these are the posts that are on the blog. How many? One, two, three, four, five, six. Six of them. So if you come back here, you can count them. They are six. They are six. So you see, one, two, three, four, five, six. Even seven, eight, nine, 10. You see, there is more of that. So if you come down, you will see seven here. So it's like there is repetition of some of the posts. So if you look at it, you see some are just repetition. So it's the same post, they just repeat it there. It's just like they change the categories of them, and that why they appears twice. So now let's delete all the posts. So let's click them all and click on move to trash, and then click on apply. So I click on this title to select everything. I click here, I select move to trash, and then I click on apply. So now all the posts will be deleted. We don't have any post now. So all of them will be deleted. So for here you see we have this. So it's only here that we don't have this. It's supposed to be on top. You see, it's supposed to be on top that published, but I couldn't find it on that page. It's fine. Let me just edit this one very fast. I'm sorry, I would edit the contact page together. Like, let me just edit it and we continue. I don't want to leave. I don't know what we are going to do with home again. I don't know. Okay, so let's select the image. So let me help you. So any text, you can give me anything or we can continue. Let me change this because technology matters. Let me help you find the perfect career in tech. I just put this. So for this here, that what that person put. So please, we don't even need this. Let me delete it. Let's update the email. So for this phone number, so for this, I told you don't need that. So it's just for this social media. So you already know how to change the social media. So we are deleting this one. Pinterest, we are deleting it. So we are using the same URL we use. So that's for the Facebook and then for the Twitter, x.com/mattech01 again. For the Instagram, instagram.com/ yeah. So that's it. So I think we are done with this. We are done with this. So we click on published. So you see that one, we can do it. So now I deleted all the posts. So let's refresh and see. I don't think we are going to see them again. So the next thing before we start creating the post also, let's go to categories again. So you see under categories, I deleted the first now. So I'm going to categories. So I would, even under categories, I will delete all the categories and we'll create the categories. And that's the categories are what we created on page, on home page. If you can recall, we create AI and robotics and the rest. So let it finish loading. Then I'm deleting all the categories that are here. We'll delete them. So these categories are what you want to put. I like delete. So I'll click on apply. So these categories are like folders. How you want to categorize your post. So you talk about this. So even on newspaper is the same thing. So when we are doing the newspaper, I'm not going to talk more of all this I'm teaching you. You already know how to do that. So when you are creating this newspaper, or when you are creating even on the job vacancies website, the way you are seeing all other job vacancies website. So you category. This is why you create a category, maybe state by state categories, or maybe categories by profession or specialization or qualification. That you can all do that during under this. So let's create a name of the category. So now we can create a category and say AI and robotics. So if you want, you can give it a slug. A slug is like maybe you want something in the URL or something like that. So leave it like this. So did it have any parent? Maybe this is under this. So there are some that you will see. There is Nigeria, under Nigeria, state of Nigeria. There is global. Under global, there is this category. So you can have all that if you want. But now we don't have that and we don't need to do anything. And also here. So just leave it as its own standard category. So don't create any subpoint. So after that, we have web tech. So that's what we put, I believe, under here. So let me check it. Sorry, these are that. So we have web tech, we have digital marketing, and we have blockchain. So let me put the web tech. So we have web tech. So let me click add category. So you see, I add another category. So we have two categories. So even if you didn't put the slug, it will automatically create a slug for you. So this is the slug web tech. So after this name, then we need to put blockchain. So after the blockchain, we need to put which one? Digital marketing. So let's add the categories. So now we have four categories here. We have four categories here now. So this is it. So all the posts we are going to create, maybe we'll be creating them under each of the categories. So you see now I deleted all the posts and we don't have any post on this page. So you see we don't have any page, any post. So let's go back to post again. So now since we create categories, let's go back to post. So I already told you please to create a post for us that we can put under this category. And okay, first of all, I said that we are going to create for these two. So give us complete post about this two page which we just created here. So for the role of AI, so I will create post for that. Role of AI, we'll have that. Sorry, I don't know. So role of AI, please give us where is the role of AI. So let me come to the chat. Give us a complete post. Okay, someone say publish don't show again. So publish is not on this page. I didn't see publish on this page. Where is the publish here? The publish is on this page, on contacts. But on that page, I cannot find publish. I don't know where the publish went to. I don't even know. This is the first time I'm seeing this. But it's okay, don't worry. Maybe publish will come up. AI and robotics. Okay, so we have a post like that. So let me copy this one. AI and robotics transforming picture. So that's the first post we are created. So under post, you click on add post. So I'm clicking on add post. So I'm creating for this so that we will put the link there. And okay, there is something also I forgot. Can you recall that farmer links that I told you when you are creating a post, you select a post name instead of that, the post and the date and everything. So that one we need to make that changes. Let's go back and make the change before we create the post. But it's okay, we can continue creating the post. But don't forget, I told you to do that. Don't forget. That is very, very essential when you are creating post. Is on blog, website, and everything. It's very, very essential. Please don't forget that permalinks. So now I will paste this. This is the name of the topic. Where it is. So AI and robotics. So this is the name. So let's paste it here. So artificial intelligence and robotics. So let's understand this. There are many things. Okay, so I copy a lot. So I think Nura, let me take what Amaka pasted because she's the one that created the the topic. So let's paste what she put. I saw something. So let me paste it. So you see, when you click on title here, you paste it. Then you come here under this type. Just click on it and click on paste. So you see, this is what I pasted. So that's it. So if you like, you can just come here and add another paragraph. You see, I create another paragraph. If you had, you can come here and create another paragraph. So that's it. Maybe that's all. Then I can create another paragraph for the last one. That's it. So this is it. So let's come here on, you see it under blog. Don't touch anything. Come back to post because there are things that we need to put under this post. Maybe feature image because this image that you see here, because this image is the feature image. So we need to add a picture image. So just click here and select that image to be our feature image for the post. Each post, if you didn't put picture image, people will not see that image when you share the post or when you post it on the website, you will not see the picture image. So now I put the picture image. That's the picture image. So show picture image in the post list only, but hide it in the single post view. No, we want it to show everywhere. So if you click here, then feature image will only show on the post on the preview list of the post. You will see the feature image if you click on this. But if you open the page, you will not see the picture image. So we'll not select that. So you see. So under categories, then you come to categories. Now under categories, you see we have list of categories. It's under AI and robotics. So you select AI and robotic under categories. So we did not create tags. We do not create tags, but everyone we can create tags for the website. So we can create tags, but I'm not putting any tag, please. So that's it. That's it. So this is the post that we just created. So after creating this, unless you want to put a lot of text, you want to add more text, you want to add many things. But for the other ones that we are going to do, we will add more text. You can create another topic under AI and robotics for us if you want. Create another post, then we go and copy it and we paste it there. So this is it, and then you click on publish. So just click on published. Once you click on publish, it will become this. It will say public. You want it to be public? Yes. I want it to be public, of course. You want it to be published immediately? Yes. Or you want to create a time that you want it to be published. So you can schedule when you want the post to be live. So sometimes you can come and create post for the entire week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and you just select when you want it to be posted. You create the time, you create everything, and use it. But we want it to be immediately. So that way I'm not scheduling the post. Please understand all this that we are doing. So after all that, so I said I'm not putting any tag for the post. So then we click on published. So we are publishing our first post on our blog. So click on publish. So it's publishing. Just wait for it. So I told you about that Prima link. So I made a mistake. I shouldn't have published it before. Uh, no, we're supposed to make that under permalink. So we're supposed to update it before we click on publish. But don't worry, the post now will come with the date, will come with the time and everything. Thank God, it's even on post name. Thank God. I don't know when I change it. So automatically it's even on post name, not on day and time. Thank God. Thank God. I don't even know. So now we create our post. So let's click on view post. Just click on view post. When you click on view post, you see this is the image that we uploaded. You see, and this is the website. You see, this is it. You can read and you can also this. So if you come back to where is that page of blog? If we go back to that page and we published, okay, we refresh. Don't worry, I can see all what you are posting. I'll go back to that. Don't worry, I'll go back to all what you posted and we'll create more blogs. And maybe some of you are even create username. You see, we have this. Look at it. This is it. We have this AI and robotics, and this is the date we publish it. We are living in AI. If you click on read more, it will take you to the website and you are going to see that. And we have another one here, but don't worry, I will come here and edit this page so that we'll uh, remove what we don't want there. But it's working perfectly what we have just published. So let me go back to what you said. Let's go back again to dashboard. So click here and let's go back to dashboard. So let me go up. So let's create a post about the blockchain feature of blockchain. So let me go up. The role of blockchain. No, it's feature of blockchain. I want a post on feature of blockchain. Feature of blockchain. Nobody drop a post about feature of blockchain. It's a post. It's supposed to be not key features. Not features. We're talking about future. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I know you understand. Not features. Features is just like I think characteristics or something. No, feature as in the feature. I don't know how to even explain feature. Please give us picture of technology. It's a post on its own. It's supposed to be a post on its own. No, please give us more text. There's only one paragraph, please. Feature of technology. Give us a yeah, wow. So I'll add this, I'll add that. Please give us a text so that we'll put a lot of text in it. People can read something. Please give us extensive and well elaborative. So I can click on add post instead of go to all post. I can click on add post. Give us a high level text. All this text that you are dropping is not that much. But let me copy this one, the last one that Lukman dropped. So maybe after I made this second post, what we are going to do is I'll go back to create users. So we start creating users. So let me paste this first. Okay, let me write picture of technology for picture of blockchain. So I'll paste it here. So this is it. I'm not touching anything on this, but I will make sure I come back to post here, as you can see, and we add the image, the same image we use there, that what we are using here. So let's use this same image. Yeah, many people are dropping for the picture of technology. So I'll click on set as picture image, and I'm not ticking this. Oh, let's tick this for this post. So it's under blockchain. So I'm clicking publish since we want it to be published immediately. So I'm clicking on published. Then I'll click on publish again. So we are publishing this. So immediately after this, I'm waiting for it to finish publishing, but let me open dashboard again so that I will create, we will create users now. We'll create users. So the users we are creating, all of you will be able to post. And when you post, I can see who posted it, we can see who did it, and someone can even edit the post and and do that. Admin can even edit your post and before he publish it or something like that. So this is the post for the picture of technology of blockchain. Let's open it. So now I want us to be a little bit faster. So here it is. Picture of technology is opening. So when you want to create the user, I already show you how to do that. So you go under users. So you click on add user. So we are adding users and I will drop the password, the username and password to you all. So you go ahead and create a post. So you learn from it. All of you that drop this, that drop all these posts for us, please go to these users that I'm dropping. Just go to the users and just create post. So any post you create, put it under a separate category. Then we'll view all the posts that you have posted together. So let me go to user and create a user. So maybe I'll call this user, maybe I'll call them, what name are we going to use? Please give us a name. Maybe we'll call them user one. Is it user one? So email also is required. So I will say user one at hamadtechnologies.com. No, I'm just user one, user one. So for the password, let's just create a normal password. So I'll say user capital letter dot 1 2 3 4 5. User U capital letter, then you put dot, then you put 1 2 3 4 5. Confirm or weak password, yes. Send user no. So you can be a subscriber. I think subscriber cannot post also. So you be a contributor. So that's for the user. So that's it. So user dot 1 2 3 4 5. That's the password. So you go to the back end. Sorry, the link supposed to be this. I just dropped the link for you. So it's supposed to be user one, the username, then the password user dot 1 2 3 4 5. Please go ahead. Contributors should go ahead. Let me go to this and see something. I will log in also. Please start creating posts for us. Just go today. You can, or tonight you are going to do something. I think you can even use your mobile phones to do that. User one, user dot 1 2 3 4. You are not allowed to list users. Sorry, you are not allowed to list. What did this means? Let me go back. Please, did it show the same arrow for you? Have you logged in? Oh, it shows arrow for you. I think it's only one person can log in. I don't know. Anyone? Did anyone log in? Hello, can you hear me? Did anyone log in? Okay, showing same arrow. Okay, okay. Sorry, let me check. I mean, someone must have supposed to be able to join. Okay, you need a higher. I can't make you auto. So let me make you auto. Let me log out everywhere. So let me try and log in again. I think only one person can log in at the same time. Let me see. Because I've already logged in using the username. After I log out everyone, someone successfully logged in among you, but he didn't say the word. Okay, it's working now. Everyone is working, right? Please, can you hear me? Okay, it's working now, right? So please go ahead and create post. Go ahead, please. If it is working, no, just keep post, keep creating the post. Don't worry. I have to go back to this, yeah, because I need to see what we are going to do with this. Anyone who's done with the post can tell us that it is done. So let's see like how many posts are we going to get. Okay, I'm waiting for you, but I want to see how we are going to. How many of you are done? How many of you are done? How many of you are done? What is it showing you? You need a higher level. Try and log in again. Many people have logged in. Me, I log in. Okay, are you done, please? Are you done with creating the post? The response is not valid. I don't know what you put there. Make sure you put you didn't put emojis in the title and everything. Just put clean. It's supposed to be clean text. Yeah, the network is bad, not only from you, I think from even their server is from Domain King, I think, not only from you, even from my side, the network is bad. The network is bad, so that why it's even showing 503. So all what you are doing, I think it's not from us. This issue is from the the Domain King, I believe. So it's not from us. That's why we are experiencing this 503. So it's not from us. The network is very bad. So I think, please, if you have any question, let's have it so that we draw the curtain here. If you have any question, let's have it. We have network. I think it's not from you alone. Can you hear me, please? Can you hear me? Let's draw the curtain here because the network is not from you, it's from the domain king. So please let's thank God you can all hear me. The network is not from you. This is network that is somehow general even from the server. So can we draw the curtain here and call it a day? Maybe tomorrow we can continue. Please, if you have a question, drop your question. Let's talk about that. If you don't, maybe we can stop here and we continue tomorrow from where we stop. Please use the login details I share with you. Just keep creating posts. So my network is getting back, but let's stop here, please. Tomorrow you just keep using the username that I gave to you. Keep creating posts. Let's have as many posts as we can. So I'll be monitoring the website. Let's have as many posts as we can. Then tomorrow we continue. Please, if you have any question, please drop your question. If you don't, we stop here. Then by tomorrow, we'll continue. Any question, please? So let me open it wide so that I can respond to your questions. I know there are some that need questions. Okay. Yeah, someone was asking about back and I saw your question. Stop even trying to paste it again. I saw your questions, Khalid. I saw your questions. I have only one tutorial. I think is it 201 on PHP and MySQL. I think it's only one. I did videos, but when I lost my hard disk, they are there. I didn't shoot it. So I didn't finish uploading the series. I completed the series PHP and MySQL, but I lost all the videos. But the only thing I have is 2 or 3 videos related to PHP and MySQL. I think that's all what I have. You can check my YouTube, you can see it. So thank you so much. Let's stop here because I maybe there is no any question. So in the absence of that, I wish you all the best. Please let's meet tomorrow so that we finalize this blog and then we start the newspaper tomorrow also. So we are going to finish this tomorrow so that by next tomorrow we'll start the final website, which is e-commerce, and then we wrap up everything. Thank you so much and have a wonderful dream. Bye bye.